I know I'm somewhere in Brooklyn, barefoot, shirtless, wearing only soccer shorts in late October. It's freezing. I've totally lost the game at this point. I just stand there and I just put my hands like this and I just started to cry. I hadn't been sleeping for months. 3 hours a night, 4 hours a night, occasionally 5, often 0. My motor was running hot. I walked outside and not full blown at this point, but there was more than a little bit of me that thought I might be on camera. I can't tell you with 100% certainty whether it was that bench or that bench. This sounds like kind of a weird hedge when I've just told you that I walked out and I know I'm being filmed, right? For me to say, I don't think I was full-on psychotic at this point is kind of a questionable assertion to make. There's certainly times in the midst of a manic or psychotic episode where you go down the rabbit hole and that's it. I feel bad for the guy that ran across this field. I, Zach, did not know I was doing it. Eventually, whether it's that day or the next day, he's gonna hit a brick wall in the form of an arrest or a psych ward or death. There's just no other way that can go. Without someone intervening, without getting a bird intervening, without getting a doctor intervening, and just getting the proper medication down your throat, that only ends one way, bad. I'm standing on the platform and 2 cops come up to me and they look like real cops. I'm not positive they are, I'm not positive they aren't. I'm not in the back of a squad car, I'm in the back of an ambulance listening to the EMTs listen to the Yankees on the radio, and then another radio cracks on, intake at Bellevue. Next thing I know, I'm in the waiting room of the Bellevue Psych ER, trying to figure out just where the hell I am now.